To you. You're watching Times Now's Breaking Ground. I'm Pratibha Chandran. Let's begin with a big story from Bengaluru. There's clearly no end to the civic apathy and negligence. 2 days after a pillar collapse killed 2 in the city, now a sinkhole has opened up on the streets of Bengaluru. This has led to the injury of a biker, and many are afraid that the buildings in the area might also collapse. These are the visuals that you're seeing on your screens of a sinkhole that opened up right in the middle of a busy street, and there was a lucky and a very narrow escape for one of the bikers. And this comes just 2 days after a pillar collapse had claimed 2 lives in the city. My colleague Deepak Bopanna is joining us live on the broadcast with the details. Deepak, what's happening in Bengaluru? 2 days after the pillar collapse turned fatal for 2 people, we have a sinkhole opening up right in the middle of a very, very busy street in Bengaluru.
Absolutely, Pratibha, and a lot of questions need to be asked about the material that's being used to construct these roads, the technology and the technical way in which construction is happening of even the underground metro lines, because this is not the first sinkhole that we've seen. Whether this is because of the metro construction or poor quality of roads, a proper assessment will be able to give us that idea. Let me show you where I am. Now, this is, very close to Brigade Road, just near Castle Street in Bengaluru. This entire street, as you can see at this point in time, blocked for traffic because that sinkhole is bang in the middle of the road, and the biker had a very narrow escape. He's managed to escape with minor injuries, but things could have gotten very worse. There's also a traffic policeman who acted very swiftly here and decided that the road needs to be closed to avoid any sort of untoward incidents. We've seen a very similar sinkhole, just next to Vidhan Sauda a couple of months ago. We reported from that particular spot that was bang opposite a BWSSB office, and now this particular sinkhole appearing here isn't a great sign either, and it definitely raises questions about the infrastructure in Bengaluru. Now you can see a huge truck has just come in. This is one of the trucks that was there at the metro construction site, which is about 200 to 300 meters from where I am. Let's speak to a few people who work around here. Now, when you look at an instance like this happening in Bengaluru, does it make you feel safe as a motorist, commuting on the streets?
No, it doesn't feel like that. No, we are not safe because just recently, I think an incident happened. You may be knowing, a mother and a daughter lost their lives.
Did you hear of what happened here? I believe you work here.
I wasn't there. I would just work opposite.
Okay,
yeah.
You just come to see what's happening.
Yes.
And, I'm sure you commute on this stretch on a
yes,
regular basis.
There's
also, metro construction happening there, and we've seen the condition of the roads just 200 meters is pretty bad. But this
every time there will be a traffic congestion here.
And this is a good, the road and the face of it looks good, but when it caves in like this, it makes you wonder what's really happening.
Right. Actually, yesterday also it looked good, but now it has happened. I don't know how it has happened.
Now, do you feel, when we've seen a pillar that has collapsed, we've seen potholes that is killing people. Now we are seeing roads caving in. Overall, what's your perspective when you look at this? Do you feel that there's some sort of lacuna in how our civic agencies are operating?
I think they are not taking any precautions to do this work correctly. Even nowadays, yesterday only that things happened. There were almost 2 people were killed, and I don't know what will happen in the upcoming days.
Well, the apprehensions, of course, and that's something that Bangaloreans are living with the kind of situation that's unfolding in Bengaluru day after day. And now you're looking at, this huge vehicle that's just come in here. Probably not very sure what they will be able to do with this sort of a heavy vehicle coming here, especially with a road that has caved in. Whether it's even, advisable to bring in a heavy vehicle on this stretch of the road now is a question mark that comes up. I'm now going to, they are allowing cameras close by, so I'm going to ask my video journalist to just take us a little closer into the sinkhole to give you a better perspective as to what,
how the
sinkhole
come to you in
exactly
just a bit. Just want to also call on our viewers to call us. Viewers, the numbers are flashing at the bottom of your screens. Call us and tell us what you think. Is this what you deserve after paying taxes, staying in a city that was once known as a garden city, the IT city, roads collapsing, pillars that are coming crashing down? Of course, Bengaluru has been synonymous with potholes. Don't the citizens deserve better? That's the question. Call us with your views on what this means for any Bengalurian, what it means for people across the country. Deepak, will come to you in just